We're here in a 2017 Subaru Outback. We just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This system is going to add wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto right into your factory radio. What an awesome difference it makes. The Hamilton system stands alone in the quality of its components. As well, it preserves all of your factory features, including your original backup camera, steering wheel controls, and all other features. You can see shifting to reverse and back to park will bring you right back to CarPlay. Of course, you can also long hold the voice speech button with our system and switch back to your factory Subaru operating system at any time, so you truly will not lose any features with the Hamilton kit. I'll walk you today through some of the features of CarPlay. Whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, any other music app, you'll have easy access to all of your cover art, songs, radio stations, and you can see how much better it looks than that factory Subaru system. Of course, coming back to the home screen, whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or another navigation service, Siri will read your directions.
Starting route to 1510 to 1598 Capitol Boulevard. Head north on Corporation Parkway.
How much better does that look than the factory nav? This is really a game changer. Coming back home, you can see here if you have navigation going, this would be your split screen view. You'd have your music, podcasts, or audiobooks here. Any app with a CarPlay component will automatically show up here. So if you use Audible or any app for your work or business, it'll be here. Of course, with our system, you're not going to lose your factory XM radio. By shifting back to the original system, you can easily access your XM radio if that's something that you use. Our team is here to help you at 919-858-2890. We have a full installation video for this product, and we support every model of Subaru. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We appreciate your business.